The export of food and agriculture products in Canada was close to $82.2 billion in 2021, which placed it as the fifth largest exporter of food and agriculture products worldwide. Basically, product exports can be profitable, but the question that pops out is, what is your share? Even though the export process is without a doubt a challenging and difficult process, finding a local market or customer in the destination country may prove to be the major obstacle. The Tuba platform is here to help you make your way easier and tackle the problems. Tuba is an international platform that connects farmers and industry players around the world. For this reason, you can easily check the needs of different people, negotiate with them directly, sign contracts, receive orders, produce according to the order, and finally send the products at the best and most economical price.